Hello, in this video I will tell you how to add table of contents in Microsoft Word. So open your Microsoft Word. I am taking a blank document here. Now here you can see heading 1 and heading 2. For example, I am selecting here heading 1. It is my main heading. For example, I am writing agriculture. Here again I am at normal. You can write your paragraph here. For example, agriculture is for economy. Now you can also have subheadings like types of agriculture. Similarly, you can add one more heading here, and so on. You can also add any. I am doing this to show you how to add table of contents. This is important to tell you, so I am adding these headings. Now after doing this, you have to write these headings. These are necessary for adding table of contents. Now after this, you can go here at references. Here you can see table of contents. You can select anyone from there, anyone. It is up to you which one do you want to select. For example, I am selecting automatic table 2. See, this is our table of contents. Now if you shift any of your heading to the next page, for example, I am shifting it to next page. See, it is shifted on page 2. You can update it by clicking see here update table. Click update page numbers. See, page numbers have been updated. In this way you can add table of contents in Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.